Welcome to another video. It's been a while since I'm actually doing this kind of a video where you can see my face and everything. I'm right now welcoming you honestly to this video. Hopefully you get value from this, and if you do get value from this, definitely hit the subscribe button below. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm honestly here for you. So I'm going to go through a lot of things today, and more or less we're going to go through a business strategy that I have in place for myself. And the journey that we're going to be on is quite unique. Okay. Now, I've done this before with other products and services. I've made sales before in other products and services. But what I'm trying to start off right now with you guys with this video series is letting you know that you can do it. Okay. A normal business, okay, a normal product or service that you have needs sales, right? They need products that you give and people buy, whether it's a service, whether it's a product, whether it's a digital product, whether it's an actual physical product, a wallet, whatever it is, you need that kind of a product or service to sell. Okay. Now, not many people, and I've been getting a lot of messages about this and saying, how can you be okay with selling these kind of products or services online? Well, first and foremost, I want to make sure that you get it and understand exactly that it doesn't matter what kind of products or service I'm selling, as long as it brings value to you and to a marketplace. And there is a marketplace, just like you have a franchise business, a real product. No one doubts that opportunity, right? No one doubts a Burger King, no one doubts a McDonald's, no one doubts a franchise business that you may have. It doesn't even have to be a franchise big business, it can be your own, but they see it. Now, with the digital world and the information age that we are in, there are so many other ways that you can actually tap into that. And you don't need to have the hassle of having a physical product within it, okay? So this is something that I'm going to show you that contains digital products. Now, this digital product is going to teach you definitely different skill sets, and it's up to you on how you implement them actually to see the results. Because I can hand them over to you, I can give you the education, I can say, hey, do something with it, or not. Let me ask you this. How many of you or how many of us have gone through a formal education and then gone in a completely different direction? A completely different direction from what we have originally set ourselves aside to study on, right? It happens. It's happened to me. It's happened to many other people. But do I call that money that I put in to my education a waste or a scam? I definitely do not, because each and every experience gives me a possibility for a new future. So if I give you the education, it's up to you to implement it. Now, it's my doing if what I studied I didn't implement, or I had a change of heart. But if I do implement it, and I think today, no matter what I'm doing, whatever I've studied, I am also implementing, but in a different arena. So you can definitely put in to practice what your education tells you. Right? So this digital form of products that I am going to be talking to you about and showing you are product packages. I don't want to call them anything else. They're digital product packages, okay? Because that's what they are. They teach you, they give you the education, they give you the tools, they give you the skills. Are you going to implement it? Are we going to do it together that I can show you more methods and strategies? So this strategy consists of a digital product or service. But more than that, it consists of a strategy, a method, a way, a direction. Okay, in my perspective, there are a few things that you need to develop and grow in sales. And one of the things that you need is an action plan and a direction. Okay, these are fundamentals. If you don't have it, if you don't have a machine running and knowing that you need advertising, if you don't know you need advertising, guys, wake up. You do. Whether it's a free advertising, whether it's a paid advertising, you need it. Okay, because that's how the world works, and that's how you cannot exclude yourself. Okay, you're a big franchise business, a big company who is selling, let's even say computers like my own, okay, laptops, they will advertise, and they will have a budget for advertising. So if they do, why don't you? So I'm going to teach you the fundamentals that are there in this strategy for sure, but I want you to think about this, and I'm giving you, because today is a Mindset Monday. Now, there's a reason why I'm putting out these videos also on specific themes that I have every single week. And the way I'm going to do it, the bonus that I'm going to give you, if you stick around till the end of this video, then you're going to see definitely the value that it is. Okay, you're going to learn skill sets in marketing, you're going to learn skill sets in video marketing, you're going to learn skill sets in editing, you're going to learn skill sets just to build your portfolio. Do you want skills? There is one guy called Dan Locke. Now, if you don't know who he is, definitely go and look him up. Okay, he talks about having a high income skill. The moment you learn a high income skill like copywriting or something like that, it adds value to your life and somebody else's life. So if you want to really succeed, you need high income skills. Then are you able to sell yourself with those high income skills? So I'm teaching you that today, okay? I'm going to share my screen in a bit, but for now, if I've already given you the right mindset, this is not for the lighthearted. And most probably, if you have a 9-to-5 job and you're interested or you're looking to start something on the side, this might be it. If not, that's okay. Okay, that's okay. This can even replace your income if you'd like, but that's up to you. So I'm gonna start from scratch in this video, guys. I'm gonna start from scratch because I want you to see that the journey that I'm on, you can do as well. Okay, so like I said, I've already modeled this before, but I'm doing it again with a completely different set of products. Some of the products I'm already using and already done that before, but one specific product, which I'm going to talk to you about today in this video, I've not. So you're going to see me start from scratch. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen in just a second, guys. So that's me on my Facebook. If you do want to reach out to me, feel free to go ahead and let me just feel free to reach out to me and I will definitely get in touch with you. Okay, like I said, this is going to consist of a lot of things that I'm going to share with you, but I want you definitely to reach out to me if you have any questions. Link is in the description again to my Facebook, but if you even want to write a comment below, I would appreciate it and I'd get back to you on that. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you this. David, what is this, right? That's the question. It says an online marketing daily action plan. Now what it does is that it gives you an actual product range, which I use, okay, and a follow-up every single day what to do. Okay, it is a checklist. If you follow these strategies every day, what is going to happen? Okay, I'm going to tell you. 1, you're going to build your brand. 2, you're going to build an audience. 3, you're going to have consistent flow of traffic. 4, you're going to have a system in place for you to free up your time. I don't need to mention the 5th one, guys. It's consistency. Without consistency, you're not going to get it at all. And I know very specifically that maybe a lot of people have heard this consistency is key, consistency is key. Well, think about the things that you've done in your life and what have you been doing about them. Okay, things that you have achieved. I'm not going to go on and say high income skills or anything, but just simple tasks that you have achieved. What is the main key element of it? Consistency. So we're going to talk about a product today, which is called Easy One Up. Okay, Easy One Up is a digital product franchising system. Now, what it means that you can take this product and you can sell it. You will have, once you own it, you have the rights to resell it. The moment you resell it, you get 100% of the commissions. So it's as if you have brought the product from somebody and you don't know anybody, you're getting all the sales for yourself. Now it's about how you leverage these kind of sales and digital products for what I mean. Okay, so just give me a second, guys, and let me just get into it. Okay, so let's go into my whiteboard so I can share with you a bit of things and follow it up. So we have Easy One Up here, right? Let's put Easy One Up. Now, the level that I'm on in Easy One Up is the $250 level. Okay, most people come up at a higher level. If you do want to come up at a join in at a high level, definitely go ahead. But I wanted to make this realistic for you. And because I wanted to make this realistic for you, I did it at a $250 level. Why? Because this is a range that somebody can get started with. Okay, somebody can get started with. That's why I got a $250 level. Will I be missing out on funds, on instant commissions? Maybe. But I think $250, imagine if you make 1 sale, 2 sales, 3 sales, 4 sales, as per whatever you like, think about it and what could be good for you. Okay, so just give me a second and I'm going to show you more. So this is for the sale and you have product levels. Remember, you have product levels. So we have the $250 product level, product package, which means you need just 4 sales to make $1,000. 4 sales. Okay? Makes it possible? Can you do it? I want you guys to ask yourself these questions, okay? Because they're digital products. Now what we do is we have a system in place, okay? It's called the Pro System. The Pro System, the PS, okay? The Pro System right here promotes Easy One Up, okay, for you. And when you get a commission, this is my strategy. I take 30% of the commission, okay, and I take it out and I put it into something that I call traffic. Now, traffic is basically eyeballs on your offer, okay? I like to give out this strategy because I really think that it's valuable for anybody, and if you're not doing it, you should be doing it already. The traffic I send to the Pro System, and the Pro System sells this. I make a commission, I take 30% out, and this goes again here. So this cycle never stops. So this is what I'm going to be doing for now, okay? And I definitely want you to understand that there is traffic. Now you can go and actually set aside a budget for your traffic, and in order for you to actually generate more sales in Easy One Up as well. But I want to give you a brief idea on what the structure of the program is and stuff like that. So let's move my face away and let's log in. Okay, and guys, let me also mention that if you do decide to come and start with me and start working with me with these digital products where I teach you the skills on a day-to-day basis, the checklist is there for you. Like I said, they give you the main 5 things that you need. Okay, no matter what your product is, give you the main 5 things that you need. That is something very crucial. Okay, something very, very crucial. Okay. The bonus will be this that I'm going to share with you, okay? The marketing strategy. Literally, the daily action plan, the checklist is something that you set aside and enjoy. You set aside and you enjoy. Now, as you can see here, okay, I have 1 unpaid member, which means I have nothing. I have 0 earned. I have 0 projected recurring earnings. I have nothing, okay? I'm a new member, even though I'm an old member. I love these products and I love these products. I've been in a member for some time, but I never ever promoted it because I wanted you to see how exactly I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm starting from scratch in this video, and if you see me get results, then you're going to enjoy it as well. Okay, if you want to follow me, follow. I've done the same thing again, and I'm going to show you that it's possible again. Okay, let's go down and actually show you the product level. As you can see, I have till the vertex level. Now there's $25 product level, there's a $100 level, and there's a $250 level. Come in wherever you feel that is fit for you. I feel that a $250 level is definitely possible for you and anybody online. No matter what, there are no excuses for $250. For the 500, for the 1,000, for the 2,000, maybe you might struggle. But until $250, there is no excuses, honestly. And if I can do it, definitely you can get started at that level, okay? So I really suggest that you do it because of 2 things. 1, it's a good payday. 2nd, the product package, as I said, in terms of skill set is amazing, guys. Okay, for example, advanced business strategies gives you exactly what is there for the home-based business. A winning mindset, which is what today is about, okay? Passion to profit, business systems, which is what you're going to see at the Pro System, is a business system, okay? An irresistible offer. These are all sales, these are skills that you need in sales. Traffic secrets revealed. Email relationship mastery. You can see a launch process. If you want to own your own products. Now tell me something, if I give you an education like this and you go about and implement it, what is going to benefit from you? This is one of the reasons why I'm suggesting to get the $250 level, because of the value in the education. Remember, we're selling products, nothing else. They're just digital, but they are products. So are you ready to get started with me? Are you ready to get started with the person who's sharing this video with you? That's a question I want you to ask yourself. And yes, this is going to be a pitch video because this is the first video that I'm putting out, and I want to show my back office to tell you that I'm starting with 1 unpaid member, which means that there's only 1 person who's actually signed up for free and might decide to go ahead with some kind of product package. So who are you? Are you ready for that? I know I'm going ahead and pitching gloriously to you guys, but at the end of the day, this strategy works. Okay? Now, the pro system doesn't only include one income stream, it includes two other income streams, which are very strong, okay? One, it includes tools that you need to have the system. So without the tools, you cannot get the system, okay? So that's another bonus going to be for many people who want the system. You need to get the tools. I'll give the bonus and I'll give the system itself. I will do the selling for you through the system, okay? And last and not the least, really not the least, it gives you a passive stream of income as well. Now, this passive stream of income has generated me over 12,000 US dollars and is a very legitimate offer. So that's something that you can get into maybe later. But right now, I told you, as I said, this is a simple one aspect that I wanted to share with you. And you can see that I'm starting from scratch. So if you're here in the beginning and you're watching this video, wait till you see the developments, because I bet you will be happy and I will be happy as well. Have a great day. I'm here to help you if you want to be helped. See you on the next video.